Hello, dear students. Welcome to Science Tidbits. Today we shall start a new unit, that is unit number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate.
Weather. In this chapter, let us learn about weather, climate, and adaptations of various animals to climate. First, let us learn about weather. We all might have heard the cricket commentary. Before the game starts, the experts discuss the weather. In the newspapers, we can see the daily weather report, which has the information about the temperature, humidity, and rainfall during the past 24 hours. Daily weather predictions and reports are shown on the television and newspapers. The weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. Many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted for that day. Now, let us exactly know what is weather. Let's perform an activity. Collect the weather reports of the last week from any newspaper. Then, draw a table with 6 columns and 8 rows. Name each column in the first row as date, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, maximum humidity, minimum humidity, and rainfall, respectively. Now fill all the rows with the information provided in the weather reports of the newspaper. Now let us analyze the data updated in the table. The maximum and minimum temperatures recorded may be the same for some of the days. However, all the parameters cannot be same on any 2 days. Over a week, there may be considerable variation. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity, and other factors are called the elements of the weather. The weather of a place varies from day to day. Hence, the weather is a complex phenomenon and it varies over very short periods of time. Yet times, we may find the day to be sunny in the morning. Suddenly clouds appear and it may start raining. Sometime, we may find a heavy rain followed by a bright sunshine. The maximum and minimum temperatures are recorded by using special thermometers called maximum and minimum thermometers. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. We experience the maximum temperature of the day in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. Climate. In this module, let us learn about climate. As we already learnt in the previous module, meteorologists record the weather every day. These records are preserved and weather pattern at a place is determined. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, for about 25 years, is called the climate of the place. If we find that the temperature at a place is high most of the time, then we say that the climate of that place is hot. If there is also heavy rainfall on most of the days in the same place, then we can say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. For example, the climate of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir is said to be moderately hot and wet for a part of the year, and the climate in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala is said to be very hot and wet. Now, let us find out the mean temperature of a month at a place. The mean temperature for a given month can be found in 2 steps. First, we have to find the average of the temperatures recorded during the month. Second, we have to calculate the average of such average temperatures over many years. That gives the mean temperature of a month at a place. Climate and Adaptations. Part 1. Polar bears and penguins are the animals that live in polar regions. Now, let us discuss about the adaptations of these animals. As we all know, the color of the snow is white and polar bears have white fur. Due to the white fur, they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators. It also helps them in catching their prey, as their prey are unable to see them. Polar bears have two thick layers of fur. This fur keeps them warm in the cold weather. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. The fat insulates their body cold and keeps them warm. On warm days, polar bears do some physical activities like swimming, which necessitates cooling. Polar bears are good swimmers. While swimming underwater, it can close its nostrils and can remain underwater for long durations. Polar bears' paws are wide and large, which help it not only to swim well, but also walk with ease in the snow. Polar bears also have long, curved and sharp claws, which help them to walk on ice. They have a strong sense of smell. It helps them to locate and catch the prey for food. Now let us know about the adaptations in penguins. It is also white in color and merges well with the white background. It also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. Penguins also move in groups to maintain the warmth. Penguins are also good swimmers. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs which help them in swimming. Apart from polar bears and penguins, there are many other animals like fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and birds living in polar regions. Fishes can remain under cold water for a long time. However, birds cannot survive in the extreme cold condition. Birds must remain warm to survive. So they migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. For example, Siberian crane migrates from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some other places in India. Climate and adaptations. Now let us discuss about the adaptations of the animals living in the tropical rainforests. India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria are the examples of the countries where the tropical rainforests are found. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is the tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. Monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects are the various types of animals living in the tropical rainforests. Now, let us discuss about the adaptations of these animals to a hot, humid climate. As there are large number of animals in tropical forests, there is huge competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on the trees. For example, red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. Monkeys also live on trees. Monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet helps them in easily holding the branches. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. This protects them from their predators. As we already discussed in the tropical forests, there is huge competition for food. Some animals are adapted to get food which is not easily reachable. For example, toucan bird possesses a long, large beak. This helps the toucan bird to reach the fruits on branches. Elephant is a well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest. It has adapted to the conditions of rainforests in many remarkable ways. It uses its trunk as a nose, because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. These can tear the bark of trees that elephants love to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ears of the elephant help it to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. In this chapter, we have learnt about the weather, climate, and the adaptations of animals living in polar regions and tropical forests.